Did you know hidden sugars can secretly sabotage diabetes management? Many people overlook them, thinking they're safe. However, hidden sugars lurk in everyday foods, triggering blood sugar spikes. Today, we'll explore why you should dodge these sneaky sugars. Diabetes affects how your body processes sugar. With diabetes, managing your blood sugar is crucial. Hidden sugars complicate this process. They can be found in sauces, snacks, and even drinks. Knowing where to look is essential. Start by reading nutrition labels carefully. Check for terms like sucrose or corn syrup. These indicate added sugars. Many products appear healthy but contain hidden sugars. Yogurt is a common example. Often marketed as healthy, many contain added sugars. Next, watch for ingredient lists. Ingredients are listed by quantity. If sugar is near the top, it's significant. Be cautious of seemingly healthy foods. Even whole grain bread can hide sugars. Another step is to familiarize yourself with natural versus added sugars. Natural sugars are found in fruits and dairy. Added sugars are introduced in processing. Aim to consume natural sugars primarily. Cooking at home is another great way to control sugar intake. You can choose fresh ingredients and avoid processed options. By preparing your own meals, you know exactly what you're eating. Consider portion sizes too. Sometimes, the quantity adds up. A small serving of a sugary snack can lead to unexpected blood sugar spikes. Moderation is key. Let's apply what we learned. A common snack could be granola bars. Many seem healthy, but they often contain added sugars. Opt for raw nuts or fruit instead. You'll maintain energy without harmful spikes. In summary, hidden sugars are everywhere. They increase diabetes management challenges. Always read labels. Understand what constitutes natural versus added sugars. Cooking at home can make a huge difference. Take control of your health today. Start monitoring your sugar intake. Share this knowledge with others. Education is powerful. By avoiding hidden sugars, you protect your well-being. Don't wait, start your journey now.